When you start loving your goals by all your heart and mind, then from the grace of Goddess Bhavani, you will surely get the victory. Chhatrapati Shivaji had a belief that God blesses only those that are confident and hardworking. Shivaji stressed on the need to self motivate. He stressed that God blesses the self motivated. Good morning to all of you. This is Medha. Today we are celebrating the 373rd birth anniversary of the great Maratha Chhatrapati Shivaji, who is considered to be one of the greatest warrior of his time and even today. He is remembered as a torchbearer of good governance and as an accomplished administrator. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti is the day when we all come together and remember the legacy of courageous leader. This is the day of unification and brotherhood, something the Maratha warrior was widely known for. Wishing everyone a very happy Shivaji Jayanti 2021. Proceed. R.V. Sharma, the student of Standard 4th, wants to tell something about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So I would like to call upon R.V.
A very cheerful morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am R.V. Sharma from Standard 4. I would like to speak few words about today's auspicious occasions of Shiv Jayanti. This day is the birth anniversary of a courageous king and the founder of Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji was born on 19 February 1630 during the time when most of India was in shackles of Mughals, Nizam in the north and Adil Shah in the south. But he was the ray of hope in the center for Marathas. In childhood only, Shivaji was familiar with Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita by Jijabai, which results in a natural and great leadership in him in such a small age. Shivaji always says slavery is a state of mind. Shivaji won the Torna fort at the young age of 16. Thereafter he won many forts one by one. He is the founder of guerrilla tactics. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's personality is the combination of Maharana Pratap bravery and Chanakya intelligence. Shivaji memory remains an imperishable historical legacy for an entire human race. Many salutes to that great personality. With this I conclude my speech. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji. Thank you.
Let's see what is our next performance. It is a skit presented by 4th standard students. Have a look.
Me and my friend should be ready to even to sacrifice our life for Hind Swaraj on our Raj.
We are with you. We shall do whatever you say for Swaraj. Har Har Mahadev. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.
Thank you guys. Now it's time to call upon Kranti Kolekar from Standard 4th to deliver a Marathi speech.
आजच्या कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष प्रमुख पाहुणे पूज्य गुरुजन माझे मित्र आणि मैत्रिणी आज मी तुम्हाला शिवाजी महाराज यांच्याविषयी 2 शब्द बोलणार आहे. शिवाजी महाराजांचा जन्म 19 फेब्रुवारी 1630 शिवनेरी किल्ल्यावर झाला. त्यांच्या आईचे नाव जिजाबाई व वडिलांचे नाव शहाजीराजे भोसले होते. जिजाबाईंनी त्यांना लहानपणापासूनच थोर पुरुषांची गोष्टी सांगून स्वातंत्र्याचे महत्त्व समजावून सांगितले. त्यांचे गुरु दादोजी कोंडदेव यांनी त्यांना विरुद्ध मुक्तीचे धडे दिले. लहान वयात शिवाजी महाराजांनी मराठा स्वराज स्थापना करण्याची शपथ घेतली. मावळ्यांना सोबत घेऊन त्यांनी मुघल आदिलशाही व निजामशाही विरुद्ध बंड पुकारले. 1664 साली त्यांनी स्वराज्याभिषेक करून मराठा स्वराज स्थापना केले. अशा थोर पुरुषांचे 8 एप्रिल 1680 रोजी निधन झाले. धन्यवाद.
Our next performance is drawing competition. Have a look.
कंस पर कन्नजमी कंस पर धूमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है. जय भवानी. तेजतम अंश पर कन्यजमी कंस पर धूमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है। जय भवानी, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, जय शिवाजी, जय भवानी, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, जय शिवाजी। तेजतम अंश पर कन्यजमी कंस पर धूमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है। जय भवानी, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, जय शिवाजी, जय भवानी, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, जय शिवाजी।
Blooming Birds are presenting a fancy dress competition in front of us. Let's enjoy it.
तेजतम अंश पर
My name is Vaishnavi Bhoye from Standard 5th A. Role of Jijamata Bhosle. Region 1645-1674. Born Jijabai Jadhav, 12 January 1598. Jijao Mahal Sindh, Raja Ahmednagar Sultane, present day Maharashtra, India. Died 17 June 1674, age 76. Pachhad, Maratha Empire, present day Maharashtra, India. Spouse Shahaji and 1664. Issue Sambhaji Shahaji Bhosle, Shambhuji Shivaji Bhosle. House Jadhav by birth, Bhosle by marriage. Father Lakhuji Jadhav. Mother Malsa Bai Jadhav. Religion Hindu Singh. Thank you.
My name is Devangi Akush from Standard 5th A. Today I am playing the role of Saibai. Saibai is born on 29 October 1633, Pahaltan, Ahmednagar, Sultan, present day Maharashtra, India. Saibai died on 5 September 1659 in age of 26. Rajgarh Fort, Pune, Maratha Empire, present day Maharashtra, India. Saibai's spouse is Shivaji Shahaji Bhosle. Issue Shankhubai Nimbalkar, Ranubai Jadhav, Ambikabai Mahadik, Sambhaji Raje Bhosle. Father Mudhoji Rao Nek Nimbalkar. Mother Riyubai. Religion Hindu.
श्री शंभो शिवजातस्य रुद्रादेव्रीव राजते यदङ्कस्य विनोलेखा वर्तते कस्य नोपरि
साध होऊनी भवानी आईचा पुरंदरी जणू प्रचंड दुर्ग जन्मला तऱ्या नभामधून सप्त सागरामधून घोष शंभू शंभू येऊ लागला
तरी हळवा शिवमा समान वाचतो मायभूमी ध्यास श्वास पदव्यासी मानतो धर्मशील शौर्यपती आसनास छत्रपती केसरी अतुल्य शोभा
हर हर महादेव. I am Dharamveer Sambhaji, eldest son of Shivaji, the founder of Maratha Empire, and his first wife Saibai. I am the second ruler of Maratha Kingdom, and my ruled it for 9 years. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.
Thank you everyone. Now it's time to call upon Ishika Sharma to deliver Hindi speech.
प्रधान अध्यापिका, मेरे प्रिय शिक्षिकाएं और मेरे प्रिय दोस्त, मैं इशिका शर्मा कक्षा चौथी की छात्रा आज आपको छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जयंती के उपलक्ष्य कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। शिवाजी महाराज का जन्म 19 फरवरी 1630 को शिवनेरी किले पर हुआ। उनके बचपन से ही उनकी माता जीजाबाई ने उनके स्वराज्य का महत्व समझाया। बहुत मुश्किल और कठिनाई का डटकर मुकाबला करके उन्होंने स्वराज्य की स्थापना की। उनके कार्य और शूरता को याद करने के लिए हम हर साल 19 फरवरी को शिव जयंती मनाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Do you know how to make fort? No. Then want to know? Yes. Let's see how to make fort at home. Thank you, ma'am. Now we are at the end of our today's program. The national song presents a country's identity to the world and it acts as an instrument of unity among its citizens. Generally, it helps us relate to our country's spiritual and philosophical sentiment, its rich culture and colorful history. Now I would like to request everyone to stand at their places for national song.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Thank you everyone. Once again, wishing you happy Chhatrapati Shivaji Jayanti. Now I declare the program is adjourned.